Okay. Ma'am, can you share your screen? Okay. So basically the scenario is on SAP for HANA finance closing operations, and we can call it as a posting in special periods. Okay. So every time we discuss about these things like special posting periods and all. Okay. So these special posting periods are used for postings for year-end closing. Basically, a special period is a posting period which is used to divide the last regular posting period for closing operations. Suppose the financial year is closed. Okay, and you want to post, you want to post the transactions in special posting periods. And I mean, some of the postings are not adjusted. Okay, so when the postings are not adjusted, what you need to do? So you have to make the adjustment. To make that adjustment, okay, you do have special posting periods, and you cannot post the adjusting transactions. I mean, adjusting posting transactions in next physical year, right? So that is not at all that is not at all possible. First of all, whatever the transactions postings that you have, you will going to post it. So to post the transactions, okay, you will going to, I mean, to post the transaction, you will going to have the permissions. Okay, in transaction code OB52, you know it very well. But the thing is that, okay, I mean, can we post the adjustment entries in special posting periods? Yes, you can post it. How it will going to post? Okay, suppose if you are in um, 11th period. Okay, so system will going to accept. I mean, can this system accept these special, special posting adjustments? Okay, in the period of 11, is it good thing to post all these things? Will the system going to accept all these things? Now let's see it. See, you have posting transactions, that is a GL document or general entry. They're using transaction code FB50, and vendor invoice using transaction code FB60, and customer invoice using transaction code FB70. Okay. So, but the thing is that if you are not allowed to post a special posting periods transactions in the FB60 or FB70 invoice screen, select editing option, then select posting in what is that special periods possible. Okay, now what we need to do is go to the transaction code FB60, ma'am. Any transaction code FB60 in SAP S4 HANA. Okay, here there is a editing options. Okay, go to the editing options after the park button. Okay, you have editing options. Drag it to the left side. Okay, come down. See, if basically the most important point is that if you are not allowed to post a special posting periods transactions in the FB60 or FB70 invoice screen, select the editing options. OK, you are in editing options screen, then select a posting in special periods possible. OK, here come down, postings in special periods possible. Yes. OK, so select all these things. Then what you need to do is come back. What you need to do is come back and where do we have the period changed? The new options have been saved. OK, go to the payment. No. What about our period? I don't have any periods. Huh? Come down. I mean, where is the period? Uh, uh, Go to the edit option. No, not the edit. Drag it to the left side. No. Editing options. Drag it to the left side. Select display periods also. Come back. When it comes to the period, what we need to do is we are in 11th period, all of you. OK, so now you are posting. OK, 23.02.2024 invoice transaction. OK, now you are in period 11. You got my point? Now you are in period 11, but what we need to do is to do the special postings, the adjustments and all. OK, now can you just change the 13th period? Change the 13th period. Change the 13th period. OK, see, even though if we are in 13th period, we will going to post the transactions in 11th month, that is 23.02.2024. Now we will going to see what will going to happen. Click on the enter. Period 13 adjusted in the line with the posting date 23.02.2024. Click on the enter. No issue. See all of you. Now this period is changed again from 13th period to 11. Why? Why? Because all of you just, I mean, have a look on all these things. Whatever the posting period variant that you have, OK, with the special posting periods, that is 13 to 16. What if we want to do some adjustment entries, you can post through special periods, right? If we are going to close the regular periods from 1 to 12. Okay, for an instance, we want to post transactions in the posting date. Okay, invoice date that is 23.02.2023. Invoice date and posting date is same, right? And we have entered the period is 13. That is the special period. Then it is giving the warning message that is period 13. What is that one? Adjusted in line with posting date 23.02.2024. Okay, so when we enter the press button to ignore the warning message, then that period will be changed to the 11 from 13. You have seen it. Okay, it means you cannot post transactions until you are in the last period. That is our main scenario. You got my point? Now, what we will going to do? Okay, all of you. Give /n, ma'am. I will show you one thing. Give /n, go to the transaction code FB60 once again. Go to the transaction code FB60. Now enter the vendor, enter the posting date. Posting invoice date is 23.03.2024. Try to give it. 23.03.2024 and invoice date is 23.03.2024 and posting date is 23.03.2024 and the amount is 15,000 and adjust the period to 13. Adjust the period to 13. And give the reference as a special posting. Special posting. Special posting. Yes, good. Now click on the enter. Click on the enter, no issue. See all of you. Period 13 is accepting with invoice date 23.03.2024. So that's why I have mentioned one thing. Okay, what is that thing here? What is the thing here? I have already told you, right? So whatever the giving warning message that we have, that is period 13 adjusted in line with posting date 23.02.2024. Okay, when you press enter to ignore the warning message, then that period will be changed to 11 from 13, right? So it means you cannot post transactions until you are in last period. Until you are in last period. So you are in last period, that is 23.03.2024 and the period is adjusted to 13. So system will going to accept the transactions. Okay. System will going to accept the transactions in the last period. Okay. That is 12th period. That's it. Are you getting my points or not? Okay, so go to the simulate button and save the details. That's it. So you have posted the vendor line item display. Our main scenario is what, all of you? Go to the open items. Go to the continue option. See, you have open item. Okay, so the open item is 23.03.2024. Now our main scenario is what? Go to the transaction code OB52. Go to the transaction code OB52. If you change the fiscal year from 2024 to 2025, and special periods postings should be on 2023 to 2024 only. Okay, now we will going to see how the system will going to accept the things. That means our main scenario is what if we close the fiscal year 2023 by replacing the period with year is 2024 to 2025, in transaction code OP52. Okay, so change the year for 1 to 12 posting periods, then special posting periods remain open and same for the year 2023 to 2024. Then post the adjustment invoice using transaction code FB60. Same thing. What we need to do is remove the year 2023, ma'am. Just give 2024 and 2 year is 2025. No. Here, first from period first, right? And after that you have year, that is 24, 2024. Then here, year is 2025. That's it. So 1 to 12 is 2024 to 2025. From 13th period is 2023 to 16th period is 2024. So special posting periods are remaining same. Okay, that is 2023 to 2024. But you have changed that year 2024 to 2025. Okay, so what we need to do? So go to the save button and save it. I will show you one thing. Now, what we need to do is give slash n, give slash n. Go to the transaction code FB60. Now we will going to see it, all of you. 23.03.2024. Okay, is for what? That is 12th period, right? Just give the 12th period also here. 12th period. Just give 12th period and go to the. No. This is not a special posting. So this is just a normal invoice. Okay, with the previous year, that is 12. Sorry, with the previous period, that is 12 only. Okay, now we will going to see it. Click on the enter. See, the system is throwing an error that posting period 012, I mean 12, 2023 is not open for variant MAPZ and accounting category plus, that is valid for all accounting types. Okay, so why it is throwing an error, all of you? Why? Because the fiscal year has been closed and the special posting periods are open. When the special period are open, what we need to do, you can just change the period as 13. Then system will going to accept. No, here only, just change the 13. Click on the enter, no issue. See, all of you, system is accepting our own special period postings with the help of last period. Okay, that is 23.03.2023. You can able to post all the adjustment entries with the period 13 with the help of last posting period. Okay, so that is the use of the special posting period in the SAP S/4HANA. You are getting my points right, all of you? How we can able to open? I mean, what is the exact use of this special posting periods and all? Do you have any doubts? Post that entry, no issue. Simulate it and post the entry. Though we have changed the year, though we have changed the posting periods and also year, okay, for the um, particular company code using somewhat variants and all, and the system has special posting periods 13 to 16. Okay, so with the previous years and on, then system will automatically going to accept these postings. Okay, adjustment postings. That is the most important point. So you have already seen with the help of 12th period, system will not going to accept those things. Why? Why? Because you have already closed that year, and again system will not going to accept those transactions. System will going to accept the transactions with the special posting periods, that is 13 to 16. That is the main use of this special posting periods. And this is the ticket that we have faced, I think so, previous week only. So that's why I wanted to tell you.